Hello guys, welcome to Sound Class. Today I'll be teaching you how to get every and any Wi-Fi password that you have used on your system, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, and co. So the first thing you do is you create a folder on your desktop or any location you wish to. I'll be creating on my desktop for the purpose of this class. So you give it a name. I'm giving mine wireless, just for the purpose of this training. So you give it a new wireless, then you open your command prompt. But I will be using shell. You can use command prompt, but I prefer to use shell. So on the shell, you use the very important command net sh. Then wireless LAN, that's WLAN. Then you show profile. So this is going to show you the wireless profile that your system has connected to previously and presently. So you enter. So can you see these are all user profiles that your system has connected to? So for you to view the password, you still need to export these profiles and their password into this folder that we created. So you're going to use the command net sh, the wireless LAN. It's going to tell you that we are exporting wireless LAN profile. Then you export profile, then folder that you're exporting into a folder, that's export profile folder, equal to that into this place, that's this folder. Then you need to get the location, but for me I'll just come here and copy the description there. Can you see I'm copying, then paste here. When you paste, can you see that you put k equals to clear? That's going to show what you need. So you press enter, and you see everything is successful. Can you see successful and like that and so on. So when you open your wireless folder here, you see that everything has been exported here. Then I'll be using just two of the wireless accounts, and you will see the password clearly. You can try as you are watching this video as well. So you right click and open with Notepad, and it's going to give you every detail you need about that wireless. So you come to key material. So key material here, it's now going to be the password is in between the key material after this what's it called, greater than sign, and this less than. It's in between the greater than and the less than sign. So this is your password for this profile. Then let me just try one more. Let me try this right through. So I'm going to open again with Notepad. Then you come to your key material. So you can see this is the greater than and this is the less than. So it's going to be in between them. So can you see this is the password? So that is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, you subscribe, and give your comments below. Make sure you refer to your friends as well. Make sure you share and click on the notification bell. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.